Hello, little cute stars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter and a new concept. So, all of you, are you excited? Yes, well done. So, today we have chapter number 4, which is subtraction of smaller numbers. So, in the previous chapter, we are learned about the addition of smaller numbers, and now we are going to learn about the subtraction of the smaller numbers. Subtraction means to take away. We use minus sign for subtraction. This is the symbol for subtraction we are using. Now example, 7 minus 1 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 3 is 3. The answer in subtraction is called the difference. What we call the answer of subtraction? Difference. Now subtraction terms. So let's discuss the terms we have in subtraction. This number which we have to where we minus a particular number from it. It means we are subtracting 1 from 7. So that number it's called minute. The subtracted number, this is called subtractant, and the result of it's called different. So the number which you have to subtract a particular number from it, those number it's called minute, and the value which is subtracted from the that number, that is called subtrahend. So and the result of minute and subtrahend, it's called different. So we have 5 minute minus 2 subtrahend. The answer is the difference we have 3. The minute 8 and subtrahend minus 4, the difference is 4. Now properties of subtraction. Subtraction of 0. So 5 minus 0 remain 5. So same property we learnt in our earlier classes, that whenever we have to subtract 0 from any number, the result will the number itself only. The above example shows that when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. I hope student this is clear to you. Now subtraction of 1. So whenever we subtract 1 from any number, it means we have to start accounting backward. So what comes before 5? We get 4. It means 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. Next, what we get before 6? We get 5, which means 6 minus 1 is 5. So the above examples show that when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number that comes before it. Now filling the blanks. 9 minus 0 is 9. Well done. 9 minus 1. What comes before 9? Great, all of you. 8. Now, what we have to minus from which number we have to subtract 1? So, we get 9. Obviously, 10, because before 10 we get 9. Now, 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 1 is 5, because before 6 we get 5. So in same way you have to solve the rest of these questions. Now we have regrouping. Regrouping is necessary in subtraction sums where the digit at one's place of the minute number is smaller than the digit at one's place of the subtrahend. For example, we want to subtract 8 from 15. So we cannot subtract 8 ones from 5 ones. So we regroup 110 into 10 ones. Hence, we have 10 ones and 5 ones, or 15 ones. So, hence for 15 ones, we can take away 8 ones and 7 ones are left. So, it means how we have to subtract it when with the help of regrouping. Let's take an example to understand this. Already we have an example where we have to subtract 8 from 15. So, whenever we have to subtract 8 from 15, it means first we have to convert this, which means 1/10 and 5 ones, and here we have only 8 ones. So first we have to subtract 8 ones from the 5 ones, and it will be happen 3. The result will be 3 ones, and then we have to subtract 3 ones from the 1/10, which means the end result is 7. Let's take a number and present it in two ways. So 9 is equal to 110 and 9 ones. So 19 ones we have. 110 and 9 ones is the same as 19 ones. So regroup the number into tens ones by converting 110 to 1. So we have 27, which means 2 tens and 7 ones, which is now we have to further it classify 15 ones. And while we subtract 8 from 15 ones, we get the difference 7. Okay, so in same way you have 27, which is 1, 10 and 17 ones. Now we have 4 tens and 9 ones. And how can we convert this? So now we have 49. So first we convert 4 tens and 9 ones. So first we have to convert this 4 tens into 1 tens. So we just write here 1 tens. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. So how many ones we have? Now we have 39 ones. So how you can understand this? 1 tens plus 39 ones, which means 3 tens plus 9 ones. So you can further add this. 1 tens and 3 tens is 4 tens and only 9 ones we have. So this is your end result. So you have to convert your numbers in such a way, if you repeat your process vice versa, so you get your end result the same we have in our starting. Now we have 56. So how can we convert it? 5 tens and 6 ones, which means 1 tens and 46 1 tens and 46 ones. Now we have 35. So 3 tens and 5 ones, which means 1 tens and 2 25 ones. So in same way you have to solve rest of the questions you have. Now subtracting of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. So subtract 16 from 28. So in this case we are not able to. So in this we have to solve this question without regrouping. So it means 8 minus 6. So how can you do this? You can use your vertical method also here. First you have to draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can subtract and cancel out 6 lines from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? Only 2. So your answer will be 2. Now 2 minus 1 is, we all know, 1. So the end result is 12. So in same way you have to solve without regrouping. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we have questions. So 8 minus 4. You can do this. You can take also, you can start your counting in some, the below number we have till 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers we have? 4. So we write here 4. After 3, we have to start a counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many numbers we have? 6 numbers we have. Now 8 minus 3. So again 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 2. You can start your counting after 2 till 6. So 3, 4, 5, 2, like 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many numbers you have? You have total 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your answer, 4. Now 7 minus 1 means you have to see what comes before 7. So before 7 we have 6. 6 minus 6, you have 6 chocolates and 6 chocolates is taken by your brother. It means now you have 0 chocolates. 6 minus 2 we are doing here, which means 4. So in same way you have to solve rest of the questions as I do. Now subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So now we have to solve our question with the help of regrouping. Subtract 9 from 50. So first we convert 50, 4 tens and 10 ones. And now we have to subtract it, which means 10 ones minus 9 ones is ones and 4. So it means we have 4 and 1. 41 is our answer. Now subtract 13 from 62. So 5 tens and 12 ones. First we have to minus 3 ones from 12 ones. Our answer difference is 9 ones. And now we have to write 6 ones, 5 tens minus 1 10, which is 4. So your answer will be 4 here. Okay. So now we have find the difference. So we have, first we have to convert this, which means 3 tens and 18 ones, and you have to subtract 1 10 from and 9 ones from 3 tens and 18 ones. So 18 minus 9 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is your answer, the difference 29. Now you have to subtract with the regrouping. So 4 tens, 13 ones. Now you have 4, 10 and 4 ones. While you subtract 4 from 13, you get 9 ones and 4 tens, 1 10 from 4 10, 3 tens. It means your answer is 3, 9, 39. So in same way students, what you have to do, you have to solve rest of the questions with the help of regrouping. Okay, if you want, we take one more example. Now we have 81, we have to subtract 62 from 81. So 7 tens, 11 ones, 6 tens, 2 ones. 11 minus 2, 11 and 10 is cancelled. Now we have 9 ones and 7 minus 6, 6 tens from, we have to subtract 6 tens from 7 tens means 1 tenth. So your answer is 19. Okay students, I hope this is clear to you. Now we are move forward to the word problems on subtraction. So Sunil has 20 pencils. He gives 12. Total he has 20. He gives 12 pencils to his sister. How many pencils are left with Sunil? So what you have to do, you have to subtract 20 subtracted 12 subtracted from 20, which means now how can you write it? 1 tenth and 10 ones, 1 tenth and 2 ones, which means 1 tenth is cancelled out with 1 tenth, 0 we have, and 10 ones minus 2 ones is 8. So your answer will be, you only have, Sunil now have 8 pencils only. Next, this is the question you have. So step 1, read the statement, understand the question as you do. Now 20 minus 12 you can subtract as I do. Now solve the following. Jia has 24 toffees. She gave 14 toffees to her sister. How many toffees are left with Jia? So Jia has 24. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Jia has total 10 toffees. If you see here, 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is your answer. Next, Karan needs 27 more stems to make a collection of 130 stems. How many stems does he have now? So what you have to do, you have to subtract 130 from 27. So 130 subtracted from 120. 27 subtracted from 130. So what you have to do, 0 minus 7 is not possible. So you have to take a carry. So it will become 10. Or you can also do this 12 ones, 12 tens and 10 ones. So 10 ones minus 7 is 3. Now 2 we have, 2 minus 2 is 0 and 1. So 103 stems Karan has now. Now mixed problem on addition and subtraction. So now we have combination of the questions of addition and subtraction. Drona saw 19 balloons and 12 of them were red, and how many balloons were not red? If she see total 19 balloons and out of 19, 12 of them are red. So how many are not red? You can, what you have to do, you have to subtract. So 19 minus 12. Ones is cancelled out with 1 and 9, 1 tenth is subtracted from 1 tenth. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 balloons were not red. Now I had 60 rupees. I bought an ice cream for 15 rupees. How much money am I left with? So again, what you have to do, you have to subtract 60 minus 15, which is 10 minus 5 ones is 5, and 5 ones minus 1s is 4. So here is your answer, 45. You left with rupees 45. Next, there are 89 seats in a bus. 42 seats are occupied. How many seats are vacant in the bus? So again, what you have to do, 89 minus 42. 9 ones minus 2 ones is our answer is 7 ones. 8 minus 4 ones is 4. So 47 seats are vacant in the bus. Now this is time for worksheet. So all of you, are you excited for it? Great. Cost of the following toys is given. This is for 98, this 16, 75, 50, and this teddy bear is for 32. How much more does the tricycle cost than doll? The tricycle cost is 23 more than the doll. So how much more does the teddy bear cost than the top? The top is this and teddy bear cost is this. So what you have to do, 32 subtracted from 16. So your answer will be 2 minus 6 is not possible. You can convert this 2 tens and 12 ones, 1 tens and 6 ones. So 6 subtracted from 12 ones, your answer will be 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer is 16 rupees more than the top. So in same way you have to solve rest of the questions, and after this you have your mathematics lab activity which you have to perform in your maths lab. And with that your chapter is ends here. And I hope students you understood this chapter very well. Now I'll meet you in your next class. Till that what you have to do, you have to enjoy your life, and also you have to revise your concept which we have completed previously. So students, bye bye. Have a good day.